A dangerous incident occurred when an operator exited a forklift while it was still running or without the parking brake engaged. Due to the terrain, the unmanned vehicle began to roll freely. In a risky lapse of judgment, the operator tried to stop the multi-ton machine manually, leading to a severe collision. This highlights critical safety violations: failing to shut down the engine, leaving forks elevated, and attempting physical intervention against heavy machinery. To prevent such accidents, always follow the shut down and secure rule. Lower forks to the ground, engage the brake, and turn off the engine before dismounting. If equipment loses control, never stand in its path. Move away and alert others. Routine maintenance and strict adherence to these protocols are your final line of defense. This footage captures a critical safety incident during a bulk cargo transfer at a busy port. While moving material between vessels, a compact wheel loader enters the blind spot of a large crawler excavator to clear debris. The excavator operator, unaware of the smaller machine's proximity, lowers a heavy bucket that strikes the loader's cab with immense force. This impact causes severe structural damage and tips the smaller machine onto its side. The operator immediately halts work as nearby personnel rush to the scene. This serves as a sobering reminder of industrial hazards, highlighting the absolute necessity of established exclusion zones, dedicated signalmen, and active radio communication. Maintaining constant situational awareness and strictly adhering to safety protocols are the only ways to prevent such high-risk accidents in heavy machinery environments. In this footage, we observe a critical safety incident at an industrial site where a worker loses his footing and falls into an exposed manhole. The opening contained industrial runoff, posing a significant risk of chemical skin irritation. This incident serves as a vital reminder of the importance of workplace safety protocols. First, maintain situational awareness by staying alert to hazards like uncovered pits or tripping risks. Second, utilize proper personal protective equipment such as slip-resistant footwear, to provide an essential layer of defense. Third, ensure strict adherence to safety procedures to protect yourself and others from harm. Finally, always report hazards immediately to a supervisor to prevent accidents before they occur. Stay safe and stay vigilant. In a busy warehouse setting, an employee wearing a yellow high-visibility safety vest is seen maneuvering a heavy load on a wooden pallet. The pallet, equipped with front wheels, is being pushed across the floor toward a red forklift parked in the distance. As the worker pushes the load over a gap in the flooring, the pallet suddenly catches and tips over, causing the employee to lose their balance and fall. Fortunately, the worker did not sustain serious injuries and was able to stand up shortly after. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the importance of workplace safety. To prevent similar occurrences, it is essential to provide comprehensive training on safe handling, conduct regular facility inspections to ensure floors remain level, and always use the correct equipment for specific loads. A proactive approach to safety ensures a secure environment for the whole team. This footage captures a serious industrial incident within a manufacturing facility when a forklift operator maneuvers a stack of heavy storage racks. Due to inadequate spatial awareness and a lapse in handling technique, the forks apply excessive force, causing the structure to lose stability. In seconds, heavy steel frames collapse onto the workspace of two nearby employees, leaving them no time to react. This serves as a stark reminder that strict safety protocols are non-negotiable. Operators must maintain a clear line of sight and ensure load stability, while floor personnel must avoid blind spots and fall zones. Management should implement physical barriers to separate foot traffic from machinery. A single moment of distraction can lead to severe consequences. Always prioritize safety over speed to prevent such workplace hazards and ensure a secure environment for everyone. The incident occurred during a heavy-duty crane operation lifting a massive concrete bridge girder. While the procedure initially seemed stable, the stabilization system and counterweights suddenly failed as the beam was moved into position. Under the immense weight, the crane tilted forward and collapsed within seconds, sending the girder crashing down with a deafening roar and clouds of debris. Workers on site had to evacuate immediately to stay out of harm's way. This event serves as a stark reminder of high stakes in construction. Key safety protocols include strict load compliance, rigorous technical inspections, and establishing clear buffer zones for personnel. Ultimately, safety is never redundant. A single moment of technical oversight or complacency can jeopardize an entire project and the safety of the surrounding community. This security footage from a manufacturing plant captures a high-risk scenario involving a severe breach of safety protocols. In a fast-paced environment with high-speed machinery and heavy stamping systems, a group of workers is seen operating without essential personal protective equipment (PPE). Instead of regulated safety gear, they wear casual attire, significantly increasing their vulnerability. The scene lacks visible safety barriers or warning signs, allowing staff to move freely within danger zones. Due to a lapse in concentration and failure to follow standard procedures, a worker becomes caught in the mechanical components. This leads to a severe industrial accident within seconds. While colleagues reacted quickly to initiate an emergency stop, the impact was sustained. This serves as a reminder that safety is non-negotiable and strictly preventable. This footage captures a major industrial accident at a container yard on November 25, 2024. While a forklift was stacking containers, a lack of situational awareness and unsafe distancing led to a forceful collision with an adjacent stack. The impact caused the containers to collapse, crushing the machinery and triggering a large-scale fire. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the critical importance of strict adherence to safety protocols in high-risk environments. Employers must prioritize comprehensive training and equipment handling, while operators must remain vigilant and follow established procedures to prevent such incidents. Adhering to professional safety standards and maintaining constant awareness are the best defenses against workplace accidents and machinery damage. In a large industrial warehouse, a high-risk situation unfolded that serves as a powerful reminder of workplace safety. Surveillance footage captures a worker walking through a narrow path between bulky equipment while an overhead crane maneuvers a massive engine block in the background. Suddenly, the heavy component breaks free and plunges from above, striking the ground exactly where the worker had been standing moments earlier. The sheer force causes the worker to fall from the intense vibration, though they fortunately avoided a direct hit. This incident highlights the critical importance of adhering to OSHA standards for overhead lifting. To maintain safety, always establish no-go zones under suspended loads, maintain 360-degree situational awareness, and perform regular rigging inspections. Safety is a collective responsibility. Stay vigilant to ensure everyone returns home. In this video, a technician is working near an active lathe when a split second of oversight causes their clothing to get caught in the high-speed spindle. The machine's force throws the operator down, leading to a hard impact with nearby tools. Fortunately, the equipment stopped before a worse outcome occurred, serving as a critical near-miss reminder. Working with industrial machinery requires constant vigilance and strict safety protocols. Always wear snug-fitting attire, as loose sleeves or long hair are primary entanglement hazards. Maintain a safe distance from the danger zone and never reach near moving parts. Most importantly, stay focused. A single moment of distraction can lead to life-altering consequences. Workplace safety is the fundamental rule for returning home safely every day. Never underestimate the power of high-torque equipment or the risks of a rotating shaft.